Christopher, do I have a surprise for you? Do you remember Dutch Askew's 1979 Pace truck that we used to ride around in when we were kids with Jeremiah and Shannon?
Of course I do.
Well, you remember how there was a Mustang version of that?
This is not one of those other cruel jokes that you do where you say you bought me something and turn around and sell it out from underneath me, is it?
Maybe. Let's open this thing. I got a little bit of a surprise. Shazam!
Yep, that thing is beautiful. What, straight out of the 70s. Look at that.
Can you believe the condition of this? Unrestored, totally the way it looked when it rolled off the factory floor back in 1979. And how about this part?
That's is that the window? Is that how much you just paid for it?
No, this is what was paid in 1979. That's the original window sticker, never removed from the vehicle.
Times have changed.
But the craziest part is you'll never guess how many original miles are actually on this vehicle.
No idea. 8 miles.
8 original miles.
I'd like to put a couple miles on it just standing still, if you know what I mean.
No, it's not gonna be that kind of vehicle. This thing is gonna sit in our showroom. No burnouts.
Holy cow.
No driving it. We're gonna hide the keys, not let anybody around it, but we're gonna have to figure out what to do with it. First, we gotta unload it, not put any miles on it, and take some pictures because I gotta get it under the glass and show the world what we found. You have to promise me it does not leave this warehouse until we free up a spot in the showroom, and then it goes straight there. So let's get this thing off the trailer and we'll get rolling.
And by let's, that means you and the mouse in your pocket, because you got it on there, you can get it off.